wait for their mother to return. The mamba glides with terrifying elegance, its body flowing like liquid, silent, precise, unstoppable. Then, it strikes. The mother returns. She lunges forward, and she refuses to back down. Feathers, scales, motion everywhere. And suddenly, the chicks are thrown from the nest, dropping onto the unforgiving ground below. Now, everything changes. On the ground, there is no escape. The secretary bird stands tall, a specialist in hunting snakes. It strikes again and again, its powerful legs slamming down with deadly force. But the mamba is faster, more lethal. For a moment, it seems like the bird is in control. But something has already happened, something unseen. The mamba lands a strike, and the venom begins its work. The bird slows, its movements weakening, its balance fading, until at last it collapses. The hunter has fallen. But in the wild, a kill never stays unnoticed. From a distance, something else has been watching. The honey badger. Fearless, relentless, known for taking on creatures far more dangerous than itself. It doesn't hesitate. It attacks. This is not a hunt. This is a battle of endurance. Bite, twist, struggle, survive. The mamba strikes again and again. But the badger keeps pushing forward, ignoring pain, resisting venom, refusing to stop. Until finally, it locks its jaws around the head, ending it for good. At last, silence returns. The mamba is dead, and the badger disappears into the grass with its prize. But the story is not over, not even close. The scent of death spreads across the land, attracting something else, a hyena. It approaches cautiously, hungry and patient, then claims the remains without hesitation. But there is something it cannot see. The venom, still active, waiting inside the body. The hyena begins to slow, its breathing fading, its body failing, until at last it collapses, beside the very meal that killed it. In the wild, even victory can turn into death.